Happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to do a little sticker haul for you guys from a new shop that I discovered called Cutie Studio. And I also got a couple of new stickers from another shop that I also like, Huggles and Kisses UK. I actually did a haul with her stickers not too long ago, so you can check out that video here to see the rest of them. But she didn't have these two styles available at that time. Also just finished decorating our tree last weekend, and we just had our Christmas gala last night, so I'm pretty tired this morning. It's been a crazy past couple weeks since we got back from vacation, just trying to get everything done for the holidays. I still haven't started my Christmas shopping, so that is something that I have to do today as well, which is why I don't have a lot of time to do a long video today. Another reason is I was going to do my next sticker organization video with all of my character stickers. If you guys checked out my first video with my scripts, I did a similar thing where I took everything and put them all into one binder so it was easier to find, which I'm loving. So I'm going to do my character stickers as well. However, when I went to check my label maker, I realized that I am out and I didn't have a chance to get to the store to pick up a new cartridge this week. So stay tuned for that in the next week or two. But for today's video, we are going to do a cute little sticker haul. This is the first time that I have ever ordered from this sticker shop, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It is truly cute. So the name Happy Cutie Studios is very fitting. This is the little packaging that it came in, and it says, "Thank you very much. Enjoy your order," which is adorable. And I already opened it just because I wanted to make sure everything was there. And then we have a cute little card here. It says, "Time you enjoy wasting isn't wasted time." And I'm going to be putting this up on my pinup board, which is where I like to keep some of my motivational cards. And I really, really agree with this one very strongly. So I absolutely love this. I like when shops throw in not just extra stickers or accessories, but just like some motivational cards too. So the theme for this order has been health and sickness, especially because this time of year is the hardest for our kids who both have asthma. And so I just got some stickers to kind of mark things that I check on a regular basis, like their temperature, puffers. She even has a peak flow meter as well, which I'll show you and kind of explain if you don't know what that is and you don't have asthma. But the fact that she included them I thought was really awesome, and I just like how cute the stickers are as well. So it turns like a negative or stressful thing into kind of something a little bit more positive, and hopefully will remind me to smile through it, to smile when we're going through it. So these are some little thermometers. And they're so cute. I like how she has kind of like some sad ones and some happy ones, so that when they're actually sick, obviously they're not feeling well, and then when their temperatures get better, I can use these and keep track of what they were for that week. Our son especially is a very high fever person. I guess just that's how his body reacts when he gets sick. So he almost always hits 40, which is really scary. So that is definitely how I feel and he feels when he gets that way. The next one is the inhaler, the orange ones. And you do have the option to pick. There's quite a few different colors, as there are puffers in real life. So I did like that a lot. And again, super cute. Just kind of like, I am here. I'm just helping to keep you alive. It's kind of important. Don't mind me. So I have one of these because this is their, like, I guess, preventative or maintenance puffer. So they take this one every single day. So I will end up ordering more sheets, but I just, especially when I first order from a shop, I just kind of do like a little test order, see how everything is. And then if I like it, which I do with these, I will definitely order some more. And then the blue inhalers, which is their emergency or reliever inhaler. They also, on really difficult weeks, will take this one and this one just to open up the lungs first, and then a few minutes later they will do this to get the long-lasting medicine in as well. So I have two puffer stickers. And then there is a peak flow meter, which we have just started recording this year, now that they're under the care of a respirologist. It's upstairs, but basically this is what it is. And it's like this little thing. It's a plastic tube that's probably about that big. And it has like a little, like this little marker. And what you do is that you put this part in your mouth and you just go, and you breathe kind of as hard as you can. And then this will mark kind of what your, what's the word? What like your lung capacity is for that day. So we just usually take a couple morning, afternoon, and evening just to kind of get an average. And then I know what they usually should be at. And then when they're sick, we can test this and kind of see how they're doing. I also have a pulsometer as well, which is this thing. I just had it down here because I was checking my daughter's yesterday. She's been having kind of a hard week the past 2 weeks with her cough. So basically, just turn it on. I think I got this off of Amazon. It wasn't very expensive. It was like maybe $30 or something. And I added this to our toolbox when COVID came out, especially since when we did have COVID, we really had a hard time and had to be hospitalized for it. And then basically you just put your finger in and it will record your pulse and also your oxygen as well. So that's what I'm sitting at right now. And we like to use this as well. I don't use this like every day, but when we're sick or when the kids are having a really hard time with their asthma, I use this in addition to the peak flow meter just to confirm, make sure they're getting as much oxygen as they should be. The next thing that we're going to be starting next month are allergy shots for our son in hopes that it does help with his asthma as well and just his overall health if he's not constantly fighting his severe allergies. Hopefully the idea is that his immune system can help him with other things like day-to-day health and when he gets viruses and stuff like that, so he doesn't get quite as sick and doesn't get as severe reactions as he does right now. So I've just placed the order for the serum. They're going to custom make it for what he's allergic to. And then these are the cute little stickers for that. And he kind of liked these as well because he's not really looking forward to getting a shot once a week. But I think after the first month, it becomes once a month. And then the idea is that after about a year or so, they build up his immunity enough that he isn't allergic to the things he was allergic to before. So that's why I got some of these. And then also got some x-ray stickers. And I like these, not just because these can be used for kind of all over the body, but I like that it kind of shows the middle too, because with asthma and when they get sick, they do have to sometimes get chest x-rays as part of their checkups or just from time to time. We try not to do them too often just because it is a lot of radiation, but we do them maybe once a year to check with the respirologist, and then if they're really, really sick, to check for pneumonia and other stuff like that. But so far this year, they've only each had to have one, which is really good. And I like that these are multicolored, so you can match them to whatever spread that you're doing. And then the last one that I got in this order is blood work stickers. I absolutely hate blood work. I tend to feel very faint. I have passed out a couple times in my life. So I always bring like a little juice box and a cookie for myself, and I have to sit for a few minutes afterwards. I don't understand what it is necessarily about the blood work. Like I've had lots of surgeries. I've had like tattoos and all sorts of things, and I've been fine. But something about needles going into my body and taking something out that just gets me really squeamish. But this one actually makes it look super cute and not quite as scary. So again, we get blood work from time to time just to double check our health and see how everything is doing. So I wanted to include these in my health section as well. So that's all that I had gotten for this time, just to start, just to see. Kind of just to get like the basics for what I'm going to be using in the next month or two. She also has some like MRI and CAT scan stickers, got pregnancy stickers, menstrual cycle trackers if you need those, and a whole bunch of other really cute stickers in her shop. And that's just in the medical section. She has a whole bunch of other sections as well. So it's not just medical stickers that she carries, that's just the stickers that I chose to get this time. Then the last two that I wanted to show you guys was from Huggles and Kisses, because she didn't have these the last time, but has since added them to her shop. And these are for our son's karate class. And I love how like there's all the different belt colors as well. He's currently in green belt right now and will be testing for blue hopefully in the next month or two. So he's been preparing and practicing really hard for that and is really excited. We're really proud of him too for how far he's progressed this year and just all the years in general. He's just turned 10 and he's almost up there. So very proud of him. And then the last one are these super cute gymnastic ones. And these ones are going to be for our daughter's classes. And again, I love how she has all the different colors and the different poses as well, which is really cute and very accurate because these are a lot of the poses that our daughter is doing right now. So I'm really excited to use all of these stickers in my next planning session. That's it for today, guys. I hope you are enjoying your weekend, and I will see you guys next week for my character sticker organization video and also my giveaway gift as well. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be giving away for reaching 400 subscribers. I wanted to do it sooner, but I just, with going away and then coming back and trying to get ready for the holidays, it's just been a little bit crazy. So thank you for your patience. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you soon. Bye.